Hi guys, it's Keith with RainBird Farms here. I'm not happy with this old irrigation header, so I'm going to make a new one. Alright, the irrigation lines I've got for this raised bed are set up on a 4 wide. It's got a hose connection down at the end that I can plug onto the system. Everything's met with male and female hose connections. Got some T running out, and we come down to the end and it just has the bend over connectors. Instead, what I'm going to do is make the other end look like this so it'll fit in the bed better. Let me show you how. Okay, to do this we got 90s for the center, elbows for the end. Still got all the old connections on the old irrigation line. Bed's 64 inches long, so I take off the 3/4 for each of the nubs off of each end. So I got 3/4 is 1.5 inches off of 64. That leaves us with 62.5. So we'll go ahead and cut our new irrigation line at that length. Now that length went right through one of my emitters. I'll have to cut that back a little, but it doesn't matter because this will be our template for all the rest of them. Once we get the first one, we'll look at the holes from our starting end where our emitters are at. We're about 1 inch or so in, so we want to stagger them. Give them about a 6-inch separation. Start our next one right at the end there, and just work our way down. Important to get these as close as possible, otherwise they'll start to warp in the bed. Some will go up, some will go down. So we got our 4 pieces now. Cut the old ones free, slide them on, and we'll make another end that looks very similar to this. our black poly from between. Just regular 1/2-inch drip irrigation line. Just cut one, same length as each of the ones we have here. The reason why I'm moistening all these is so they fit together easier. Stuff's a pain to slide together when it's cold outside or when it's dry. So now we got the two that match. Now we plug the lines in between. Make sure we keep our stagger. Now I'm not sure which way you're supposed to go, holes up or holes down. On the drip tube I've heard both ways, but I particularly don't think it matters. So I just put them up. That way I can see them and make sure they're working. Only downfall of having a closed loop system like this is that you can't flush the lines. But I can take care of that at the beginning of the bed. Alright, simple as that. We got our 4 lines. We'll go put them in the bed. They all lay out pretty nice. So we'll see how we did. Okay, here is the header installed. Got a male to female hose fitting. We got our 90s, we got pins holding it in. Go down, we got 4 runs going down to the end. This is just a small scale version, but you can adapt this to any size bed you want. You have to 40, 100 foot, you can use drip tape. I'm just using the RainBird stuff because that's what I happen to have laying around. Alright, hope you all found this useful. Thank you. Have a good day.